Hey Dad,
What is it, Duck Sledge bro?
can I watch We're Horse Eating Nation?
No.
Why not?
Because We Are Horse Eating Nation is inappropriate. And you are still grounded for watching YouTube videos. Go to your room now.
Fine. You know what? I don't care what my dad say. I will watch We're Horse Eating Nation, no matter what.
Duck Sledge bro. Did I just hear that you're watching We Are Horse Eating Nation?
Uh-oh. I hear my dad coming.
Let me see what you're watching. Duck Sledge bro. I can't believe you have watched We Are Horse Eating Nation. I told you not to watch that and other YouTube videos. That's it. You are grounded for 999,999,999,999 years. Go to bed now.